Cleansing. Use a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Morning and evening cleansing helps keep pores clear. Exfoliating. Exfoliate 1 to 3 times a week to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. Choose between physical exfoliants, scrubs, or chemical exfoliants, AHAs or BHAs. Moisturizing. Apply a moisturizer suited to your skin type to maintain hydration. Even oily skin types need a good moisturizer. Sun protection. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every morning to protect against UV damage. Targeted treatments. Incorporate serums or treatments based on your skin concerns, such as anti-aging, acne, or hyperpigmentation.
सही हेल्थ टिप्स जानने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।